Hey guys, this is going to be a little bit different video. Today I want to show you some engine bay sounds, and I want to let you listen to the turbo and the spool noise directly from the engine. So I have my microphone cable going through the side into the engine compartment, and it's not plugged into this camera yet, of course, and I will plug it in when I am ready to get true engine noise. It is very hot today, 91 if you can see that, and I forgot to move forward here. So I'm doing this also. I want to check for this ping I heard. It is really hot today, as you saw, and I went on a long freeway drive going 80 miles an hour in 6th. Every time I floored it, I'd hear all kinds of pinging and marbles, and I just want to hear that super close up. So that's why I'm going to make this in engine bay video, so it's a lot louder. And I did contact Clark. He'd offered to detune my car a little bit, make it a little bit weaker. And today I emailed him. I heard that all day long. I said, okay, I want a softer map. That's not installed yet. I want to get true engine sounds from this map first, see if I can reproduce this on a drive out to my dentist here. It's a good excuse to listen to that. So I'm going to turn this off, and I'll turn it on when it's true engine bay sounds in about 5 minutes on the freeway. Alright guys, I'm finally up to about freeway speed finally. It's been bumper to bumper. I'm going to plug in for some pinging test at 6th gear. Hey guys, I definitely heard pinging just on that very last run. I'm sure you did too. It's the first time I actually heard it, and I was really flooring it, which I don't usually do. So hopefully I can hear the pinging pretty clearly on this very last clip as soon as I listen to it back. Dentist is done. I'm going to try and get another couple good solid pinging clips on the way home if I can reproduce it.